Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Fun Club, the 6 minutes 100 days challenge, and we are on episode
Number 2.
2, day 2 of the 100-day challenge. So, what do? Let's write something.
What?
No, what
I
are you doing?
don't want to write it.
Write it.
Why?
Write it, come on.
I want to do something. I don't want to do this.
Episode 2 of hashtag 6 minutes 100 days challenge. Let's start. Okay. So today's sketching idea would be what? The easiest one. We start writing alphabets A to Z. Okay, and we will be doing some sketches using the alphabets
Yeah.
A to Z. Okay?
Yeah.
What do we start with? The letter
A.
A. That is how we write A. Yeah. What are we going to draw? Let's start drawing. Okay. Yes. We are going to draw the space rocket and an astronaut. An astronaut, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Stairs go up to there. The spaceship is ready. Yes, Parikshit?
No, that's what I asked you.
Now we make an astronaut. How do we make an astronaut?
We make a face.
So easy a sketch. Okay. He is holding his helmet. This is the astronaut. Very good. We make some
He's on the surface of Earth.
Yes, he's on the surface of Earth. Now, what we do is we color it up.
I don't think so.
How do we color it? Using the gray color. Should we color it?
I don't think so.
Let's try it out.
Let's do something else.
Let's sketch it up. Let us use this wax crayons and make some planets. What planet is this?
I don't know.
Do you know this?
Saturn.
This is a Saturn.
And for that I need
Then
yellow.
we'll use some other color.
I need red and orange.
Make it fast. Make some other planet. And then some stars. And the sun. I need the yellow color. Which means that this is our Earth.
These are sun rays. The lines.
So this was the sketching of an astronaut with his spaceship and some planets. Let's write it out. And astronaut. This is what we did. Did you enjoy this? Did you try this? If not, then try this again. Go, rewind this video, go back, do it slow, but make sure that you are doing it on your day 2, episode 2 of this 6-minute 100-day challenge. And do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at @KidsOnLearnClub and hashtag 6 days, 6 minutes, 100 days challenge. See you in the next drawing on the next day in episode 3. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day of learning how to sketch with Parikshit and me. Bye bye.